Hi, I'm Ben Cudon from American Prime Manufacturing. In this little tech video, we'll be assembling our CompMaster Advanced Circuit Breaker Assembly, our part number 1104-0001, manufactured by American Prime Manufacturing. This product has a 304 stainless steel base, center post, and pivot pins, and the weights are coated with a specially formulated polymer coating that protects from heat saturation, reduces friction, and in most cases strengthens the component to make it more efficient. The advanced unit is assembled at our factory in Paramount, California and made in the USA. First thing we're going to do is take the stainless base and install the roll pin that locates the circuit breaker on the center post in the base plate. We start it with our little special tool and then fully seat it using a plug to prevent it from entering the bore of the base. Next, we'll install a roll pin into the side of the base and fully seat it into the bore located in the underside of the base. This pin locates the base plate onto the motor camshaft. Our next step is to install a roll pin into each flyweight, starting it with our special tool, then fully seating it so that it protrudes out the underside of the weight. This pin prevents the weight from moving further than the scope of the breaker weight springs. Now, we'll install the special flyweight CNC machine coiled springs, one on each flyweight. These springs have precision tolerances controlling spring rates to within 5% of specification to provide the max advance and retard applicable to your motorcycle. The bent end of the spring is hooked through the bottom of the hole in the end of the flyweight in such a way that it can't come out without deforming the bend in the spring. Now we'll assemble the advanced unit into a working product. First, we use a slight trace of high temp anti-seize on each pivot pin prior to installing the flyweights. This prevents the weights from seizing on the pivot pins and keeps them lubricated for smooth operation. Install a special stainless steel washer flat side down on the top of the flyweight on each pivot pin. The washers aid in smooth movement of the weight and helps prevent binding. Now take the looped end of the spring and attach it to the pivot pin so that it rests snugly in the groove at the top of the pivot pin. It should be snug but not overly tight, as this will prevent the weights from smooth and free movement. This is how the finished unit will look in the cam cover with the motor cam attached to the back side of it. Well, thanks for watching our little tech video on the 1104 0001 Comp Master Advanced Assembly. Just one of the many fine products from the folks at American Prime Manufacturing. This and all the products made by APM are fully interchangeable with Bravura Primo products of the same type.